We are given here three posets described by the Hasse diagram, and in each of them we are given a subset, and with respect to this subset we have to identify upper bounds, lower bounds, supremum and infimum. Okay, let's begin with the first one, and let's identify this. The set is CDE. CDE is here, right? In the second one, the set is 4, 5, 6, so it's this one, and in this one is 2, 3, and 4, so it's this one. All right, and what we're going to do is to identify now what are the upper bounds, lower bounds, etc. So let's go for the upper bounds. So the upper bounds are for these sets are this set here, because any of these elements is larger than or equal to any of the three elements in the set, right, including C itself. As for lower bounds, there's only this one, right, because that's the only element which is smaller than or equal to any element of the set. This one is not, because it's only smaller than this, but not of D, right? Okay. If we have to identify what is the supremum of B is C, right? It's the smallest upper bound, which is also a maximum because it's in B. The infimum of B, it has to be F because that's the only lower bound, but it's not a minimum because it's not in the set, right? Now with respect to the second, upper bounds of the sets are these three elements here, okay, right, because all the three are larger than or equal to any other of the three elements in the set. But for instance, 4 and 5 are not upper bounds because 4 is not larger than 5 and neither is the other way around. Okay. As for the lower bounds, well, 6 is a lower bound to all the elements, all the three elements in the set, and 8 is also a lower bound because it's a lower bound of 6, so it's a lower bound of all the elements in the set. But the 7 is not, right? Because it's 7 is not smaller than 6, for instance. So this is the set of lower bounds. Okay, then the maximum of, or sorry, the supremum of this set is the smallest upper bound, which is 3, and the infimum is the largest lower bound, which is 6. This is the maximum because it's in, sorry, no, it's not the maximum because it's not in the set, but this is the minimum because it's in the set, right? Finally, for this one, upper bounds are 1 and 2 because both are larger than or equal to any other of the three elements in the set. And lower bounds are 5 and 6, right? Because both 5 and 6 are smaller than or equal to 3 or 4, which are respectively smaller than or equal to 2, right? So they are lower bounds. But 3 is not a lower bound because it's not smaller than 4, and neither is 4 for the same reason, right? And in this case, the supremum of B is 2, which is also a maximum because it's in B, but there is no infimum because there is no largest lower bound. These two lower bounds are not comparable to each other, so no infimum. There is no infimum. Okay, and that's it.